All right, welcome back to hydroponics. Currently, I just got back from vacation yesterday and have been gone for 2 weeks. And this is what the mint looks like. It's gone through a lot since it ran out of water completely, probably sometime in between, and food. And now there's just a bunch of dying mint here. For the most part, it survived and grew a little bit more, but there's just a few dead pieces in there. Outside, my other plants survived, and I'll transition to that right now. Going outside, you'll see that my grandma's plant isn't doing very well, but the apples are, well, a little bit more developed than what they were before. And if you look over here, the chamomile is flowering and is very tall. There's also another plant that seems to be here. Just notice this over here. Oh, let me get this little white stuff there, which might be the plant. I'll show you all the rest of the plants. Currently in the garden, and everything has grown over a lot. Here's the cucumber over here, and you can see the pipe in there where mine is at, just barely. But they've grown out over here, and then also are trying to choke out one of the peppers over here, which is falling, wilting. We were without water here for quite some time, so I'm surprised it's growing so much. And this one right here is also mine. As you can see, the harvests are pretty big, and we've gotten a few squashes already, and a few tomatoes. I forget what type of tomatoes these are, but we got the cherry ones are here. I believe these ones are just the regular ones, but they're growing. Over here, there are the peas. We gotten a fair bit of peas out of this. They taste pretty good. Then over here, we got the squash, which are apparently dominating the area. We got a few squash growing there. They're not completely done. And just look how massive these leaves are and how different they are. For example, this leaf right here compared to this one over here. The weeds are also pretty bad as well in here since we've been gone. And it seems that some tomatoes are trying to grow over here. Actually, just out the cage over here, you see, is probably either a pumpkin, a squash, or a cucumber that started to grow. So we're having these grow a lot more wildly now, even with the cage. But the cage definitely helped with no deer getting in or rabbits, anything like that. And we got connected by some carabiners off the side right here. Well, that's all for the garden. See you all next time.